You work hard, you get paid, and somehow, your bank account still looks the same at the end of the month. Sound familiar? The truth is, it's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. And if you're stuck in these 5 toxic money habits, you're setting yourself up to stay broke forever. But here's the good news. You can break free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix these habits and take control of your financial future. 5 toxic money habits, keeping you broke, and how to fix them. Habit number 1, impulse buying. Let's start with the silent bank account killer, impulse buying. You tell yourself, it's just a $5 coffee, or these shoes are on sale, so I'm actually saving money. Before you know it, those small purchases add up to hundreds of dollars a month. Here's how to fix it. Use the 24-hour rule. Before you buy anything non-essential, wait a full day. Most of the time, that must-have item won't seem so necessary anymore. And if you really want to go next level, try the cash-only challenge for a week. No cards, just cash. You'll be shocked at how much less you spend. Habit number 2, not tracking expenses. What's worse than spending too much? Not even knowing where your money is going. The average person underestimates their spending by up to 30%. That's why so many people feel broke, even with a decent income. The fix? Start tracking every dollar. You don't need to go full finance nerd mode. Just use a simple budgeting app like Mint, YNAB, or even Google Sheets. The goal isn't to make life boring. It's to give yourself control over your money, instead of wondering where it all went. Habit number 3, relying on credit for everyday expenses. Credit cards can be a powerful tool, but here's the problem. If you're using credit for daily expenses just to get by, you're digging a financial hole. With high interest rates, that small balance can quickly turn into a mountain of debt. Here's how to escape the trap. First, switch to using cash or a debit card for daily purchases. Second, if you already have credit card debt, prioritize paying it off using the debt avalanche or debt snowball method. And most importantly, never spend money you don't have. Credit is a tool, not an excuse to overspend. Habit number 4, no emergency fund. Emergencies will happen. A sudden car repair, medical bill, or even losing your job. If you don't have savings, you'll be forced to rely on credit, putting you deeper in debt. The solution? Start small. Save just $500 to $1,000 as your first emergency fund. Keep it in a separate savings account, out of sight, out of mind. Then, build up to 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses over time. It's not about saving a huge amount overnight. It's about forming the habit of paying yourself first. Habit number 5, ignoring investments. Here's the biggest money mistake of all, not investing. Too many people think investing is only for the rich or that it's too risky. But here's the truth. Not investing is the biggest risk of all, because your money loses value to inflation every year. The fix? Start today, even if it's just $50 a month. Use a simple strategy. Invest in index funds like the S&P 500, which has historically returned about 8 to 10% per year. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the mar. Breaking these habits won't happen overnight, but every small change you make puts you one step closer to financial freedom. Imagine looking at your bank account and actually feeling proud. Imagine knowing your money is working for you, not the other way around. But if you really want to escape the cycle of working just to pay bills, you need a bigger plan. That's why you should watch this next video. Escape the rat race. How to achieve financial freedom fast. I break down the exact steps to stop trading time for money and start building real wealth. Click the link, and I'll see you there.